What is going on, my Meta Millionaires? I am your host, Terry Stonkers, and welcome to my channel, baby. Buy the dip. All right, guys, in today's video, I got a lot of information to go over. We're going to cover, of course, the MMAT, and I got a special stock we're going to talk about that has a good short squeeze potential for this week as well. And I want to update you guys on the overstock situation. I put a BBIG video out earlier. So if you didn't watch that video, I'll catch you up to speed on the overstock because MMAT, we were talking about that short squeeze. So hope you all ready for today's video. If you are, smash a thumbs up. Check out the links down below. And baby, let's go. We'll start you out here with Simple Swings on Twitter. He has here MMAT textbook wedge, another smaller name setting up for a huge run. With consistent buying in this one over the last few weeks, in love with Friday's mini range inside day candle just below resistance. We looked again over that HOD. Here it is, the target 575 to 650 to 750. Looks like he has a stop here at $5 to 475. So he's saying that this could swing trade by looking at his chart here of the wedge and the bull flag here, that the target's going to be anywhere between 575 and 750, and the stop would be 475 to $5. This is a beautiful chart here. So here it is. I'm going to put this up here. He did his technical analysis on it. So there it is. Comment down below. What do you think about this man's chart? I think it looks phenomenal, and I agree with everything he's saying here. So I wanted to keep you updated here on the big vote coming up. Here it is. The vote meeting is on Tuesday, September 28th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to acquire Nanotech. The court hearing changed from the 30th to Wednesday, September 29th. And here it is. NTSFF, a leader and develops nano-optic security features that provide anti-counterfeiting solutions. So guys, it's going to be huge coming up here on Tuesday on the vote. All right, and I did see there's an article out here on Motor Trend. So this is pretty cool to see that Metamaterials is getting recognized in the automotive industry. If you don't know what Motor Trend is, they kind of go over stuff for vehicles, and it's nice to see that Motor Trend is here talking about the Meta Nano Web see-through 5G antenna. And it says here, with increasing popularity of the hood to trunk glass windshield roof and backlight designs, the problem of where to put antennas arises. Metamaterials has a handy solution, a see-through antenna. The magic that allows this nearly transparent antenna to work virtually as well as a metal one is its highly transparent metal mesh, which marks a huge improvement over previous metallic films. Indium tin oxide sometimes uses windshield defrosters. Optical transmissions is up to 98% with no color tinting and minimal haze, less than 1%. So there you go, guys. You can have it in 4G, 5G, and XM radio. Like I said, this is exciting here to see that we got very reputable company that's been out for a long time, Motor Trend, covering Metamaterials in our products that a lot of gearheads and motorheads are going to be talking about. To bring my Meta Millionaires this article here, Overstock posted this. Utah District Court again rules in favor of the Overstock.com and securities class action lawsuit. Decision dismisses complaint against Overstock.com. What that means is, guys, we know how George has talked about these. You know, we got the TRCH preferred share dividends. And if they come out and do that maybe as a spinoff, they have to cover all that. So it's nice to see that after Overstock did that with their crypto dividend, now depending what we get here, either a cash dividend or a spinoff dividend with Meta, we are going to see that it's nice to know that the courts backed up Overstock. So if we come into a similar situation with Metamaterials, it looks like we'll be good to go. So looks like George got the green light to do whatever he wants here with these preferred shares. All right, guys, and I wanted to bring you this here. I'm going to talk about ticker symbol SDC, Smile Direct Club. We have talked about this on the channel before, and I want to bring it to your attention because we were buying this a few weeks back when it was in the $5 range. It shot up to $7 or so. We sold out of it, made a good profit, like $2 some per share profit. And now it's coming back down to the $5 range, and there's a lot of chatter going on Reddit, a lot of chatter going on all the social media sites about Smile Direct Club. So here in my Patreon group will be the pinned comment down below. I did a detailed post on this with some screenshots and all from the premium Fintel version, and I want to show you this, guys. So here I put, Smile Direct Club has very interesting Fintel numbers. The institutional ownership is almost at 80%. I want to show you that right here. Here's the premium Fintel version. Institutional shares is 94.5 million, 79.66%. The total shares outstanding, guys, is 118.6 million shares. So just want to show you that as we go back here to my post. When I did this post on, I think I did it on, what was it, Friday or Thursday or Friday I did this. The short interest percent of float was 34.5%. Now I did say it is possible that some institutional shares are being shorted. That is possible. We don't know exactly, but it is a possibility. There's a very low float left for the retail investor. And it's also Fintel's number 14th short squeeze candidate stock. And I said down here in the $5 range, I'm loving this stock to add for a potential squeeze and long-term natural growth. That's right. So this is a stock, actually, I was looking to buy this when it was in the $5 range. Not even for a short squeeze candidate, guys. I've been following Smile Direct Club since this stock was like $10 and $12. I actually bought an options contract on it a while back, and I ended up losing because the stock kept coming back down. But I only bought one. I thought Smile Direct Club would go good. We had kind of the pandemic happen here, and there's no one getting their teeth done. That's what they do. They're kind of like the more affordable version of Invisalign, and they're like 33% like the cost. So it's a huge savings. I think this company does your Invisalign style for around $1,300 or $1,500 compared to if you go to Invisalign, it's like 5 or 6 G's. So it's a huge saving, and I was thinking that in the $5 range, with possibly people going back starting to take care of themselves, that Smile Direct Club is one to keep an eye on. And $5, I love buying it, and I'm probably going to be buying it again here this week. And all right, here you can see the stock ended Friday at $5.68. Now, as you see, we were buying it back here in the low to mid fives. The first time it shot up here, this says 670, but actually it was up in the sevens actually. I just don't think it was happening so quick. I just don't know if it technically registered, because I ended up selling this in the 70s in my Fidelity in the $7 range in my Fidelity portfolio. And now it's back down here to 568. It's looking awful attractive again at these prices. So like I said, this is what I want you to keep your eye on and keep your smile on, because that's what they do, if you know what I'm saying. But yeah, that's another play I want to give you. I think it's going to have a great chance to run here shortly with the, I think there's, like I said, go check out Reddit on it. Go check out all the stuff on Smile Direct Club. Do your own DD. But there is a lot of talk going on that this has a chance to run again, and I want to have my position in, so when it runs, we'll make that money again. So hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash a thumbs up. Check out the links down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.